Chef, we have seen here some different types of knife. Why this use for?
No, actually, as I said earlier, it's a HACCP contents and the HACCP rules.
Okay.
Because all the knives and the chopping board we have to cut accordingly. Like since I'm cutting the vegetable, it is green. The vegetable is green. Knife should be green, and the chopping board should be green. So we'll identify this is specifically it is using for the vegetables to do. Okay. And since you asked me the question that there is different knife and the chopping board.
Yes,
so different like here. I have seen the blue one. It will be goes for the fish process further. Okay, and the chopping board, because the fish is the color is blue. It means it is belongs to the sea colors, and this one yes.
Okay.
So this chopping board is for the fish, because fish and shellfish, it is identically we are creating, but the same thing is from the oceans. Okay, and ocean's color we are creating like a blue. So it is bluish. Okay, and some of other chopping board like related chopping board we are using like a purple. It is for the allergic.
Yes, sure.
If the some guest who has allergic and all will use identically. Okay, and this one for the roast beef or roast chicken, cooked meat and cooked chicken. Okay, we can use for that. It's a brown.
Yes, sure.
So we have to combine with the brown board as well, and the brown knife as well.
Yes.
Then it is poultry, especially for chickens and all, game meats and the duck, etc. We are using yellow, and the yellow knives.
Yes, sure.
Okay, this is the red chopping board. It has to goes with the red knife for the process of raw meat like beef, veal, pork, mutton, etc.
Yes.
Okay, it's all will be raw.
Yes.
So it is the color of the blood is red. That's why it's identically identified by the HACCP. It is red. It has to be red. So we have to working now for the red knife and the red chopping board for those items. That's it.
Okay.
And like here also we have the white one. We are using for the white knife with the white board for the dairy products.
Yes,
That's
sure.
what I feel. Okay. And related the knives, it is in the water, and we are doing the manually sanitization since some chlorine tablets is not available here in Bangladesh, or if there is available, but I have a doubt, so I am doing the whole process, ancient process, the 5 liters, approximately 5 liters of water on over 82°C water. We dip for the 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. So the knife will be sanitized, and you make sure all your areas and surfaces to be cleaned, because we respect
what is the time needed for knife sanitization?
It takes for the manual process 1 or maximum 2 minutes.
Okay.
In the hot water over 82°C temperatures.
Right, sure. Okay.
Any question, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Okay.